Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are Japanese huge graphic collection, and here you can easily download from the link in the description. Just need to click this link and you reach my website bulk GFX, and here you can download from. And here these are two folders. This is for macOS, the Apple operating system, and this is for the Windows. And here the things are same, but this is window format and the other is macOS format. And here this is abstract composition and other. And just open this. These are PNG format, and these are blank cards. You notice there are some print on it, and here this is cards, JPG format, and here these are composition. And here these are individual illustration, watercolor abstract. Just open with watercolor, and here you can see. And these are abstract, and here these are patterns in JPG format, and here is PNG format. And these are words in Japan something. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like this video. Take care.